Hi everybody, welcome back to the Hardware Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you where can I easily find the multi-output audio option and how to enable and disable this option in your Samsung Smart Monitor. At first, go to the left here and now scroll down to Settings. Open all settings and now scroll down to the General and Privacy. Go to Accessibility here and scroll almost all the way down. Here, below the sign language, we have multi-output audio. Open up and click to enable. Now it's enabled and our monitor is searching for the Bluetooth speakers or headphones, of course. Here on this list you will see all the Bluetooth devices you can pair, and once paired your multi-output audio will be running. To disable, click on this option here once again and you can go back, and that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye!